All right, folk. Well, we're going to Ron McCutcheon Park, but as most of us around here call it, Crystal Lake. I've always called it Crystal Lake. It's a nice little spot. Not a lot of people come out here about this time, so usually have it all to yourself. Sometimes just a couple people out here. But they fixed the place up a bit. I didn't think it was that bad in the first place, but I guess they decided to do some more stuff with it. I come out over to the right. There's some picnic tables. I like coming out here. And there's like literally pretty much nobody out here. That's very cool. And they got a little turnaround on this area. Another cool little spot to come to when nobody's around. There's a picnic table out here too. Just turn around here. A friend of mine also comes out here and told me that they're done with the new barbecue pits. So I want to go check them out. I was surprised they rebuilt the barbecue pits because the ones they had here already were really good. But I guess they wanted to redo them, so we will go and check them out. And they made a lot more beach area here now. Over here. A lot more beach than there used to be. It used to get quite mossy. Or I don't know if the mossy is the right word, algae maybe? Algae, mossy type. The water would get all messed up. So I came here this summer, and I'll show you this when I get out and walk around. But they put in like a big fountain in the middle, and I guess this like moves the water a lot more and everything, so it doesn't get all nasty and all sorts of algae in it and whatnot. So we'll go check out the new spot over here. Be right with you, folk. So basically, like, this whole area was redone right here. This building was here, and this building over here was there, but this is all new. This part, they totally redid that building and have new all new picnic tables, all new barbecue pits. I mean, they did a really good job. None of this was here. All this concrete's new. All this fencing is new. As a matter of fact, all that was over here was a bunch of overgrowth, you know? It's like now, you got all this beach, none of this beach was really here. And all you really had was like, from this area on, that's the only part of the beach that was it. Even over there, you could get over there back then, but it was all nasty. And stuff was overgrown. There was a lot of nasty algae and stuff. And right over here, and right in this area, I believe, is where the new fountain is. That I guess, I don't know what the proper word would be, circulate the water or whatever, make it move so it doesn't get all nasty. And, you know, all sorts of benches over here now to sit on. You got stairs going down to the beach over here now. They did a really good job. All right, folks. Let's go check out the pits. I was going to check out the new barbecue pits, and they got this thing here. So I figured I'd have to check this out. And I guess it's a game called Gaga. So somebody throws the ball in. After it bounces 2 times, the game starts. And I guess you got to hit it with your hand or fist or whatever. And if you hit somebody below the waist, they're out. If you hit it and the ball goes out, you're out. And you can't catch it or throw it. So it looks like a pretty cool game. And I guess this little pit was made in honor of this young lady over here. I do not know how to pronounce the name, but I'll give it a shot. Navia Folk. And I'll slowly go down this here. And if you guys want to pause and read, you can go for it. Seems like a pretty cool story here. Or a nice story anyways, but... And that's the game place there dedicated to her. Alright, folk. So here are the new barbecue pits. They got two of them side by side here. Not too bad. Brand new. Pretty much the same thing that they had here before. But these are just brand new. Alright, folks, let's go explore over here. Here we go now. Now I got to find some folk out here that know how to do some horseshoes. And we can do this. So we got horseshoe pits now. These are new as well. This is awesome. So, any of my folk in these neck of the woods play some horseshoes, I'll gladly kick your butt in horseshoes if you come out here. Another cool thing is it's a good hiking place as well. I've hiked out here. The last time I came out here, and I did a video a while back, but I hiked, it was all the way from the beginning, went all the way through here, all the way down to about there, and then all the way back in another, like, circling trail. It was supposed to be a quick half-hour freaking thing, and of course I turned it into about a freaking hour and a half. Ended up being a long hike. Really wet back here right now after all that rain. But, yeah, like I said, it's good hiking as well. Also, it's not a bad spot to fish. Here's the back side of the lake. Considering the season, you've got all the brown leaves, everything's ready to die and go dormant for till next year, and then boom, right in the middle of everything is just a lovely chunk of green still. Quite a few storms with the high winds recently, quite a few of them. And this is, you got this all over the place out here in Connecticut right now. It's just big old limbs and trees down all over the place. Couple of benches up here in case you just want to take a seat and enjoy the scenery. Of course, you're going to have to share it with our squirrel friends who leave their garbage all over the place. That's pretty cool, folks. I wanted to show you one more spot over here by the barbecue pits. I'll be right back. So there's a few people in here. You know, it looks like they were eating their lunch and playing with their dogs, so I didn't want to disturb them and do a video. But one of the things I like in here, look at this. You got what, 1, 2, 3 fans up here now. These were never here before, and that is awesome. So you're going to have some nice cool air circulating in here during the summertime. And all brand new picnic tables. They did an excellent job here. Like I was showing you before, there's the barbecue pits. There's the horseshoe pits. There's the Gaga game dedicated to that young lady right there. And then you got this there. This is just great. They did a great job. So Middletown Park and Rec or whoever else had anything to do with this, you did an excellent job. You have really improved this place. Well done. Well done. So anyways, let's get over there. Zoom in. Really, is that, I guess that's the furthest I can zoom in. Let's go see my vanitarium and probably go make something to chow later, folk. All right, folks, so after all the hiking and checking out all the new stuff at the park at Crystal Lake, gonna do a little chow down here. I got some onions, green peppers, and these, they're just the dollar store meatballs that I bought. I got a nice chunk of Italian bread to go with it. Maybe throw back a few libations. Or drink some cold water, who knows, see what happens. I put all this on a sandwich, throw some Texas Pete on it, and call it a meal. So I'll check it back with you in a bit, folk, later. Right, folk, here we go, the aftermath. Oh yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna chow this bad boy down, save me a little bit for later, and probably get back to you guys. Maybe I'll try and do a little something tonight. Oh yeah, I do gotta do another little thing tonight, and a little talky talk, and I'll get to you. But as for this one's over. So don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down. Chow time.